Hi everyone. Hi my beautiful brownies. I hope everyone is doing amazing today. I am doing this voiceover because of course I dropped my phone in my shower when I was trying to record this for you guys. And the audio is basically trash. So that's why you see me talking. I am telling you all about my purple shampoo hair wash routine and how I love to use the purple shampoo on my hair because I'm a natural brunette, but I recently went blonde and it adds this amazing light shimmery blonde look to my hair, and I just love it, and that's why I highly recommend this purple shampoo. We actually bought this at a hair salon at Walmart, and it's because called Design Line. And you just see me here trying to get the lid open. It has, you twist the lid and then you get it out. And I still have a good bit. Listen, I have about half a bottle left. I do use it often. And yeah, it's basically a shampoo that we bought when my daughter had got her hair professionally done. And once again, it's Design Line, and I love it so much. And I'm reading the ingredients on the bottle to make sure it doesn't have any sulfate in it. And it does not, which I love. And I just really love how it makes my blonde hair brighter and just look better. And also, I wanted to know if all of you, what you guys recommend on my hair. Do y'all like the blonde? Or should I go back my natural brunette? I'm really curious. Please let me know in the comments down below, brunette or blonde. What do y'all think looks better? Because I'm thinking about going back to my natural hair color. I do love this color, especially for the summer. But I'm seriously thinking about going back to my natural hair color. And of course, if I do, I will film that for you guys. And I'm just adding more products, more purple shampoo for my hair because I do have long hair. And this is how I wash my long hair. And then I will show you guys the results. You can really tell when I get done how good it turns out. Also, I think my next one will be if y'all would like to see a what's in my shower and a reorganizing and showing you all of the products in my shower. I was thinking about doing that for one of my upcoming videos. And also, I was thinking about doing more makeup content. If y'all would like to see that, please comment down below what content y'all want to see from me. And I want to thank you guys so much. We're officially at over 300 subscribers. I am truly grateful for you from the bottom of my heart. It means so much. It makes me so happy. I have also started a Patreon, and I'm still learning the platform. It seems to be pretty easy to post on there. You can get more personal on there than YouTube and not get monetized for it, for your content. And you can do chats and messages. It is a membership type thing on Patreon where you do pay money to see this content. But yeah, I will leave that in the description as well. And now I'm just going in with my L'Oreal Supreme conditioner. and 3 to lighten my blonde hair. It came in the hair dyeing kit, one of my hair dyeing kits. And I have 2 of them left, and I need to use them, and they smell so, so good. But yeah, I'm really sorry. Y'all see me talking, but like I said, my voice is going in and out constantly, and you can't really understand what I'm saying. And even when I turned my captions on, it couldn't even pick up what I was saying because I dropped my phone in the shower trying to get that perfect angle, because each time I make these videos, I just want to get better and better with my angles and my content. And I wanted y'all to get a good view of me washing my hair with this purple. And I was like, you know what? I'll do a voiceover. Every video I do a voiceover in, it seems to do really well. So I'm really happy and thankful for that. I love you guys so much. And thank you all for your sweet comments. It means the world to me. And yeah, we will do something exciting when I get to 1,000 subscribers. And then right here, you can see when I lift my arm that I need to do a tanner so bad. If you've seen in my recent video, I just got over, I think it was or some type of bacterial infection. I had the worst cramps. They hurt so bad. Almost, to the point to where my body, I would just almost shut down. It was bad. And this went on for like a week straight. And I'm feeling so much better now. I'm back to myself. And yeah, I hope all of you guys are doing well. Stay safe out there. Take care of yourselves. And I'm really sorry that I dropped my phone. I'm so sorry, you guys. And that's why I wanted this to come out so good. And that's why I'm having to do this voiceover. But I'm just telling you here how I'm just scrunching my hair lightly. I did have it on cool water when I shampooed and conditioned my hair. Before I went in with the shampoo, I did a full body scrub and body wash and a full body shave. And then I put my comb in my shower because I wanted to comb my hair in the shower. And you can see how light my hair is already. It is lighter. And I just love how the purple shampoo, I feel like any purple hair shampoo that you get is made to work for blonde hair and make it lighter, or it always does for me. And I love it so much. And the conditioner did really well. And right here, this is so funny. My hair gets hung in my earring. And every time I go to comb my hair, you guys, it gets hung in my earring. So I'll pull my hair to the other side because it hurts so bad. And then I'm talking about how I want more piercings up my ear. I would love to get more ear piercings. Possibly a nose piercing or an eyebrow piercing. Let me know what you guys think. What should my next piercing be? Leave it in the comments below. And I'm just I end up letting my hair air dry. Last night is when I did this. Today is Friday, July 29th, and I filmed this Thursday night, July 28th, and when I went to edit it was getting late, and I didn't want to sound tired in my voiceover. So I decided to wait and do my voiceover today. And let me know what you guys want to see next. And yeah, I'm just loving the results of this purple hair shampoo. Highly recommend if you have light blonde hair. It even works on gray hair as well. And it just brightens it. It gives us a shimmery, bright look, and it's so pretty. And also, I was thinking, you guys, about this is what I'm talking about. Should I cut my hair shoulder length? My hair is getting so long, and I absolutely love my hair long. And it took years to grow my hair out. If you're an OG subscriber, some of my old videos, you'll notice it's literally right past my shoulders my hair is. And I wanted to know what you guys think if I had short hair. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.